Hi guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Mass Monday make. These are little pockets for your junk journal or for Happy Mail. It's made out of 2 sheets of paper and it's extremely easy. And you're going to have a 3-tier pocket. You're going to have a pocket right here in the front for little things. You're going to have a middle pocket right here. And then you're going to have a back pocket. All you need is paper, some washi tape, scissors, and maybe a little glue. Because on some of these, I did glue down the washi tape. The back is plain because I plan on pasting these into a journal. But you can also put it in an envelope and have really cute Happy Mail. And you can make in different sizes too. This is the largest one I made. I used just regular notebook paper and book page. Okay, let's get started. Here's my paper. Just have a piece of craft paper and a piece of coffee dyed paper. It's just regular graph paper. First thing you do is just fold your paper in half. I call this the fold, rip, cut, rip method. It's just 4 steps. You fold. I'm going to rip my first pocket right over here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just going to rip it till you get to this line. And you can rip it with some interest. I think the more interesting the rip, the better. And I just fold this down like so. Keep your papers together, and I'm going to cut just a little way along this line. And even if you mess up your cut, it doesn't matter. Because you're going to tape down the sides. Let me just cut just a drop more. Okay. And then I'm going to rip again. All the way to the bottom. So now I have 4 pieces just like so. And I'm going to switch the paper around. I'm going to take my first pocket, put it down this way. And take my second piece, put it down this way. And this is where I would play around a little bit and see how you like it. See how you like the tier of the pockets. To me, that looks really cute. If I wanted to do it the other way, I most certainly can. I can go like that, and see how this looks. Now that's not going to work out because this piece is thicker. So let's go back to the original. And by the way, this is not my idea. I saw this on Instagram. Channel called Happy Art Journal. She did it. So I'm just copying her. I'm being totally truthful. But I'm sure other people have figured out this method as well. So I like how it looks, and all I do right now is just tape down the 2 sides and the bottom. And you can use some washi tape, which is what I'm going to use right here. And what I suggest, if you really want it to be kind of strong, put some glue on it. You can put glue stick, or you can use some Elmer's glue. I'm a big fan of Elmer's. But right now, I'm just going to use some glue stick, and I'm going to put it down. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. And you can always go back and glue the edges later. So I'm going to push this together. Gets a little finicky. And then do my first glue. So since this is going on the back, I can make it a little more interesting and maybe like You don't want a perfect line. Could have easily tore it. I'm just cutting it with my scissors just a little bit. And I'm going to fold it over just like so. Okay, that's the first one. And let's do the other side. This one I'm just going to rip. So it's not so perfectly straight. And you cut your little edges. And then we're going to do the bottom real quick. And there's your little pocket. And what you should do is come in on the edges and open it up like this. So you can stick all your stickers and papers all the way to the edge. So this is the finished pocket. It's really very simple looking, very basic. The back row will take the things that are a little bit bigger and taller in nature. You can really stuff this with a lot of things. It makes great Happy Mail. And then the middle section can take a few smaller things. Like that. And then the front row right here can take all sorts of the littler things that make everything so cute, right? So that's my Mask Make Monday video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please let me know in the comments if you find this to be a useful project and something that you would do. I think they're really cute. And after a little experimenting, I thought it was really easy to make. So let me know your thoughts, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I hope you consider doing so and hitting that like button. It really helps me. I recently found out, I looked at my analytics, and most of the people that watch me are men. And they're watching my other content, not the junk journaling content. I can tell you that much. So if you're a woman, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a man too, subscribe. But I found that most of my subscribers are men, which is really strange. I didn't know why that was so. And I don't think they're into the junk journaling content. So if you want to put a smile on my face, hit that subscribe button and the like button. And I'd so greatly appreciate it. Thanks for coming by, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.